Michelle and I'm from the Titan Outlet store. Behind me is a New Holland 55 WORKMASTER. It has 95 hours, 55 horsepower, it's got a 540 PTO, 3-point hitch, front end loader on it. It's almost brand new. If you're interested, please call us here at the Titan Outlet store.
Welcome to the Moorhead Titan Outlet store. In this video, we are demonstrating a 2013 New Holland WORKMASTER 55 with 95 hours. Let's take a closer look at the features on this tractor. Under the hood, this WORKMASTER has 55 horsepower, a 9-speed Synchro transmission, and mechanical front-wheel drive. And is equipped with a New Holland 615 TL loader with 72-inch bucket. Moving on to the rear, which is outfitted with one remote, a 540 PTO, and a 3-point hitch. And over to the rear tires, which are 14.9/13-28s with 95% tread. And the front tires, which are 9.25-24s with 95% tread. The cab is equipped with a 2-post rollover protection and a joystick control. Thank you for viewing this 2013 New Holland WORKMASTER 55. If you're interested in this tractor and would like to contact our sales team, give them a call at 877-886-7010. If you're interested in viewing more equipment, go online to TitanOutletStore.com.